Hi, this is John Bowen. I'm your instructor for Accounting 102 for the winter semester 2024. I'd like to welcome you. This is only a 24-day class. I can't say that enough. That's not much time for something that usually takes 15 weeks, so you better get busy, and it's going to be one heck of a lot of work. The purpose of this short video is to familiarize you with Brightspace and what is required in the course. What you're looking at is the main page of Brightspace. You can see right here on the left, we have announcements. That's how I will communicate with you. If I want to tell you something, give you information, I will post it here. It will get emailed also to your email address of record. Please read them. There is also valuable information already here. Welcome. What's required? How to do it. How to get in touch with me. Very important. Here's my personal email. Please use it. Do not message me through Brightspace. I don't read them. There's free tutoring. So that's Brightspace. Now let's move on to what else you're going to find. The heart of the course is right here under content. Under content. Under content, you see, finding structure information. That's about me. Getting started. We're going to look at that in just a moment. Connect assignments. All the homework and tests are in there. We'll look at that. And then we've got all these chapter tabs. Let's start with getting started. What are you going to find? Well, you click there. It'll take you to McGraw-Hill Connect when it should recognize you from registration. If not, you have a problem because you're not going to find the book. It's part of the first day program. If it doesn't recognize you, you're going to have to call the bookstore immediately. Right here, we have an introduction to the course in Brightspace. That is this video. If you'd like to watch it again, knock yourself out. Below that, the course schedule. Tells you the due dates for everything. Notice that is different from the Brightspace, quote, course schedule. The dates are the same, but it's going to be presented completely differently. You're going to rely on the one I've given you right here. Textbook is going to tell you we're part of the first day program. And why did we do that at the college? Well, kind of pretend that the textbooks are free. How to proceed, very important. Read it carefully. It's going to tell you what's required. Let's talk about what's required right now. For each chapter, there are some orientation videos to the class. Then for each chapter, there is concept orientation videos. There's smart book to be done. There's exercises for each chapter, and there are 4 tests. There are also some supplemental learning materials, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay, so read that. How to communicate with me. I already told you. Use my personal email, which I've given you. Another very important, very, 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 very important video here, how to attack the exercises. Please, please watch it. It's vital. Hey, what else are you going to find in table of contents? You're going to find the syllabus, very important document. Read it. Now, for each chapter, there's a tab here. Let's look at chapter 12 and see what you can find. First thing you find is a PowerPoint lesson. That is basically a classroom presentation. It is the exact classroom presentation narrated by yours truly. It even has in it the actual classroom examples that we would normally work through. I suggest you do them. Couldn't suggest strongly enough. Here are those exercises right there. Well, if you've done them, guess what you're going to find? Solutions to those exercises. And lastly, video solutions to all those exercises. And so if you'd like to make this just like it was an in-person class, here it is. The in-person class basically is under each of these chapter tabs. You'll also find test reviews. I don't like to waste people's time. So if I give you a test review, I guarantee you what's on there is important with regard to the test. Okay? So that's what the chapter tabs have. What else up here? Assignments, ignore it. Discussions, ignore it. Quizzes won't be here. They'll be where? They'll be right here under Connect Assignments. Let's look at Connect Assignments. McGraw-Hill Connect is the platform we use. You want an assignment? Here it is. Click on it. Click on it. Click on it. It'll take you to McGraw-Hill where you'll do it at that point online, and it'll be graded immediately. For each exercise, you are graded on the best of your possible 3 tries, and I'm hoping you'll watch that How to Attack the Exercises video for more details. What else is up here? Grades. The grades will populate there, so if you want to know how you did, it's there. Now you need to know that the interface between Brightspace and Connect is not that terrific, so it could be that you've done something and it doesn't show up here. If that's the case, you need to know that what is on Connect itself is what is important, not what migrates here. So that's a quick and dirty summary of Brightspace and how to attack the class. Let's just summarize as to what is required. I'm going to go home here, and I'm going to look in here. What is required? Orientation videos, 10 points each. Concept overview videos, 20 points per chapter, required. Smart book for each chapter, required. Exercise for each chapter, required. Test required. Oops, that's an error. I'm going to take that out. There is no final exam. Have a great semester.